Hey, here's a tribute to check out at Unique Specialty and Classics. What do we have here? Looks like a 1963 Chevrolet Corvette tribute to the 1963 Grand Sport, known as the Lightweight Project. Underneath the hood, small block Chevy. Bored to a 377, balanced and blueprinted performance cam, pistons, headers, and side pipes. Has dual 4 barrels on it. And we're going to take a look underneath this hood. I'm going to start it up, let you hear it run. We'll even take it for a drive at the very end of this video. Just passing along what the 2 previous owners of this vehicle have passed along to us. Tremec 5-speed behind that small block Chev. Does have a modified frame for racing, updated disc brakes. Take your time looking through the still pictures. UniqueClassicCars.com. If you're seeing this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website where you can check it all out. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Riding on polished wheels, look like Weld racing wheels, fitting for this car. BF Goodrich radials in the front and the rear. As you can also see, it does have a modified body in the rear, like the original Grand Sports did when they were trying to put the wider tires on them. Of course, to compete with the Cobras back in the day. Unfortunately, there were only 5 originals made before GM's politics and a lot of other stuff that went on put Arcus Duntof's C2 Grand Sport program out of business, so to speak. Be a fun one for your local shows, roll-ins, cruise-ins, anybody into Corvettes. It's kind of a fun car. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. There are some imperfections in the paint, which to me adds to the character of this car. You can drive it, get it out, have some fun with it. Might be a spot here or there, imperfections in the paint. But again, fun car. Get in, turn the key, make some noise. Maybe you like to track it, go ahead and do that. And if you're into C2 Corvettes, like I told you before, if you watch our videos, you never know what you may see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. So go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Videos are uploaded daily. And when the videos are uploaded, the vehicles are available to purchase, either online or right off our showroom floor if you make it to see us in person. Now, I will show you a few things that I am aware of on the interior of this and kind of the steps as far as the process to fire this bad boy up. All right, so first off, I want to show you a couple switches back here. So these are like a battery shut off, and we're going to turn both of these clockwise, and that's going to give us some power, and we're going to see some lights lit up. Now we want to come over here to the main power switch. I'm going to turn this key right here. There's a fuel pump right here, everything nicely labeled. Fuel pump on. Ignition and starter. Fuel pressure gauge, water temp, timing control for MSD ignition, a wiper switch, even a horn. All right, so you can see some some of these other gauges, oil pressure, temp gauge, oil pressure, battery condition, manifold vacuum. Fun car to show, it looks like. Ready for the next owner to do the same. All right. As you can see, interior also nice shape as far as the seating surfaces go. Nice low idle. All right, I'm going to slip up to the front of this. It's going to take me just a little bit to get that hood off. So let me go ahead and get the hood off. We'll check out that engine bay, and we'll listen to how that sounds underneath the hood. And then we'll also take this for a drive just in a bit. So stick around to the very end of the video, and we'll take this thing out for a spin. All right, hood off. One person can remove that. Did it by myself, 4 pins, lift it off. I do want to mention too, you notice there is a rear mirror over here that is missing. There is an extra one the previous owner sent with us, so that will go along with the car. Now, I want to show you the throttle response on this. Hooker headers, like I said, dual carb setup, Edelbrock 4 barrels, MSD ignition, looks like a Griffin, aluminum radiator. You can tell that baby's got a cam in it. And you'll be able to see the engine bay from every angle in the still pictures. Check it out. How fun would this be? All right, one last thing I want to show you before we're going to take this for a drive. I'm going to fold up the top. It's a manual top. One person can fold it up. Very simple. And let's check out that convertible top. And then, like I said, stick around to the very end of this video. We're going to take this thing for a drive. Last but not least, convertible top up. Manual top. Easy for one person to put up and down. Very simple. White vinyl. As you can see above the windshield, nice tight fit. Rolled up the side glass also so you can see that. This is one of those you needed to keep you out of the sun. A shower, no problem. It's going to do its job. One minor, small little wear area there, but that's not going to affect how it performs. No doubt about that. Clear rear window. And around to the passenger side, so you can see the side glass rolled up here too. And again, no major rips, tears, holes. That one little wear spot. Little tiny one here, but again, nothing that's going to affect how it performs. There's kind of a cool tribute. 1963 Chevrolet Corvette Grand Sport. Tribute, of course. Call us 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 1963 Chevrolet Corvette Racing Tribute that has a sweet look to it. If you like the race cars, this looks amazing. This is a 5-speed manual. Despite all the switches, you just turn a couple things on, start it with a switch, and it runs and drives like a normal car. Very easy to drive. It's a stick shift, of course. Nice Nice acceleration in this car. As you can tell, this is a convertible, and we do have the top down today. Starts up easily and quickly. We have multiple gauges. There is a fuel pressure gauge here that may not be hooked up because that is not reading. There are two water temperature gauges. The left one is reading 150. That's working just fine. Battery is charging over 12 volts. Speedometer working, tachometer working. Oil pressure is about 60. Windshield wipers work on this car. Mostly stock looking in the rest of the interior with red seats and carpet and door panels. I love that hood with the fence. Very proper looking for the Tribute, in my opinion. I hear a little tire squeal, but it corners nice and flat. Stay straight in the lane. The steering wheel's clocked slightly to the right, but that doesn't affect performance at all. Nice right on the highway. You can take this car to local cruise-ins and have some fun. If you want to check out all the pictures and details, head to uniqueclassiccars.com.